yeah, baby. Thank you for being in my kitchen where we're always on a mission to find nutrition. Let me put my kitchen kettlebell away and show you what we got going on. While the skillet warms up, that's what you see me doing warming up. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of butter to the skillet. What we got going on is a late night snack. This is how you stay lean at night. You know what I'm saying? I had a late night craving. So what we're gonna do is bust it down with some good foods. We got 2 cage-free eggs. I'm about to stir it up. All right, and it's experimental night. You can't get boxed in. You gotta try stuff outside the box. You gotta think outside the box. You don't wanna get boxed up. People wanna box you in. I got some sprouts. All right, we're gonna throw that in there. You're just taking the nutrition principles that you know and incorporating them together. Low sugar, greens, healthy foods, right? Look, I threw that right in the eggs. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this Philadelphia cream cheese, chive and onions right here, just for a little bit of flavor. You know what I mean? Right, just a little bit, just a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and put that on medium heat. Gotta put it up first. What's that? Flip it like a stir fry, right here. You feel me? Just like that. Incorporate it. Hopefully this skillet's hot enough. All right. Yeah, there it is. Woo! Now you want to go ahead and just incorporate that with a wooden spoon. You know what I mean? Jelly the bean. With it just like that. The best is to do it on medium heat. All right? Now, while that's cooking up, point to note, if you overcook the egg, they say you can overcook the nutrients. I don't know nothing about that, but let's just take their word for it. So you want to get it done quick. Medium to higher heat for scrambled eggs. It's cooking up real nice. As you can see it right here. Egg has a casein protein, and so does cheese. So it should be slow burning. And that can give your body something to gnaw on at night. You feel me? There's many techniques. Again, this is just my route. Eating like this at night helped me out lose some weight back in the day. Anyways, I just want to make sure you understand the whole point of this is to experiment. Get outside the box, outside the box. Look, I got some green eggs because of the sprouts, the alfalfa sprouts. Cream cheese up in there. Woo! And remember, you gotta learn to love your food. Check it out. That's why I put it on a hard plate. Ain't that great? Woo! Let me just give it a little quick taste on camera so you know my initial reaction. Bomb! Have a good night, y'all.